Hi guys, it's Mel. Welcome back to my channel. So in a recent video, I think it was my unpopular opinions video, I was rocking some big loose curls and a few of you asked how I achieved those curls. So today I'm going to try to replicate it, and I say try because they were actually unintentional. It was wash day. I just felt super lazy. I didn't feel like styling my hair. I didn't feel like even air drying my hair. So I decided to put it up in 3 Bantu knots. I've been doing that a lot lately when I get lazy on wash days, but I've never attempted to style it. I've always just kind of put it up in a ponytail or a bun after I take them down. But that particular day I attempted to style it and it turned out pretty decent. So fingers crossed it turns out good this time around as well. So this is freshly washed hair. I towel dried it and then I just kind of left it alone to air dry for a little bit. Well, a little bit because it's basically drying out. So I'm just going to begin to part my hair and section it off so I can moisturize and seal. The last time I did this, I did just 3 huge Bantu knots. So I'm just going to section my hair off into 3 sections. Okay, so I have my 3 sections, so 2 in the front and then this big section in the back. Nothing fancy, doesn't even have to be neat. So I'm gonna pin these 2 sections up. All right, so I'm going to begin moisturizing and sealing my hair. I'm using my African Pride Olive Miracle Moisturizer. You guys know this is one of my favorites. And then I'm going to be sealing that in with my Rice Bran Oil. I've been loving this combo lately. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. And they're only in these bottles because I've been traveling a little bit, so I just put them in this bottle here and I kind of put some water in here to make it easier to spray. Alright, so now that I'm done moisturizing, I'm going to go in and seal with my oil. So I'm just going to quickly do that to all the sections of my hair. So I mainly focus this on the ends of my hair and then like bring the excess up the length of my hair. I don't use a lot, just a little bit. Okay, so all sections are sealed and I feel like I don't show this enough on my channel, so I'm going to include in today's video. I go in and I oil my scalp with my castor oil, but I basically do this every wash day. So if I'm not wearing like a straight style, I'll go in and lightly oil my scalp with my Jamaican black castor oil. Of course, this is straight from Jamaica. The only time I don't do this is when I'm wearing a straight style. I'm just gonna go through the parts and then I'm just gonna add some to the pads of my fingers and then just go through lightly and give myself a light scalp massage. So it's nothing precise, it's just adding some to my fingers and just going in there like this. I don't part section by section. I got time to do all that. I'm trying to get out of this hair. And before I do these sections like Bantu-knot them or Chinese bump them, as we say back home. I'm going to do that. All right, so let's actually get started. Okay, now that my hair is moisturized, I am going to start on this back section here, and what I do is I comb the section towards my crown. Just try to get it all up there. Tilt your head if it helps. Okay, so I'm gonna start to gather the hair up here and get ready to make my knots. And the reason why I make the knot at the top of my head like this is because I do not want it to interfere with me when I'm sleeping. So again, I'm gonna go in with my comb, make sure it's smooth. And then I'm going to begin twisting. Okay, so I did my knots in the back hair. Probably can't see it, but yeah, I'm gonna move on to the front so you can see a little bit better what I do. I'm gonna comb all my hair towards the crown of my head. Smooth my edges a little bit, and then I'm gonna begin twisting my hair. Just make sure that the hair is smooth. I'm gonna begin twisting. So there we go, twist, twist, twist. And when I get to halfway down the length of my hair is when I start wrapping it around each other, going under, like going from the bases where I wrap it. It looks tight, but it really isn't tight. And I just tuck my ends underneath there. I don't need to secure it with a bobby pin or a hairpin or anything. It just stays. Of course, if your ends are a little bit more blunt than mine, then you probably have to secure it with some kind of hairpin. But yeah, it's that simple. And I'm just gonna finish up this one and be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done. This one's a little wonky, but as I said, it's really late and I really don't feel like redoing it. So yeah, that's what I do, and I just tie this down and I go to bed. I really only do this at night. Like if I start my wash day really late and I finish kind of late, I do this at night before going to bed, and I look crazy right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna tie this down and I'll show you what it looks like when I unravel it a couple hours later. All right, hey guys, so it is, I was about to say the next day, but it's not. It's just a couple hours later. I want to say almost 12 hours later, and Damien and I are about to go run some errands, and of course I'm not gonna leave the house looking like a Martian. If I had nowhere to go, I'd probably just keep this in for as long as I can. But yeah, I'm about to take these down. Just using a little bit more oil to help loosen up here and just add more shine. Alright, so all three sections are unraveled, so it's just to separate and style. So I just kind of just separate the section, and that's basically it. Alright, and then going with my fingers, and I kind of fluff the roots to hide the parts, and also to kind of nudge the back section down since I did so high up here. that just kind of fluff and nudge the back section down. If that makes sense. You just kind of play with it to get it how you want it. If you want, you can just rake a comb through it to make it bigger. Just gonna wear it like this for now, and then maybe tomorrow take a comb to it. If you're wondering how I preserve it, you can either put 2 or 3 Bantu knots back up in your hair, or just do a high pineapple, and that will keep the curls looking nice for a couple of days. Alright guys, so I played with it a little bit, and this is the final look. Give you a close-up on what the curls are looking like. They're nice and big and loose. Alright, let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!